Looking to increase your gutter company's website rankings in Google and bring in more leads? Stratedia has the solution. Custom WordPress websites. Your new website will be mobile-friendly, lightning-fast, and filled with content optimized to rank on Google and captivate visitors. Targeted SEO expertise. We focus on high-impact keywords like gutter companies near me, gutter contractor near me, and gutter services near me to connect you with customers actively searching for your gutter services. Boosted local SEO. Expand your Google Map visibility across your entire service area. More visibility means more leads coming straight to you. But that's just the beginning. Stratedia also offers Google and Facebook ad management, social media marketing, email campaigns, professional graphic design services. Your gutter company deserves to be at the top. Let Stratedia give you the tools to dominate your local market. Call us today for a free website audit or sign up now.